Welcome to the Short Funk Podcast. I'm Tom Barbalet, and today, a house that is unoccupied on our property. When we first purchased this house, we had tenants, and up until last Saturday, we had tenants. The same people have lived in this property for about 4.5 years. Last Saturday, they finally moved out. It had been a week and a bit worth of toing and froing associated with the move out, but by 5 p.m. on Saturday, I had exchanged their bond check, shook their hand, picked up the keys, and it was all over. We now have this additional property on our land that no one is currently living in. I discovered when they moved out, actually at the point where we were doing the handover of the keys, that the roof leaks in 2 different locations in this particular property. So, with a point of immediacy, I am looking to get this corrected. We can't have a leaky roof in 2 separate places in a property that no one is currently in. But it also reminded me very heavily of the shed. In essence, do I want to be a slum landlord associated with where people live? Is it right that I have this hobbit-like house that people can actually live in, but I myself probably wouldn't live in? And what does it mean owning such a space? We've talked periodically associated with it going on Airbnb. We've talked periodically associated with getting in more long-term renters. We've also talked about using it as a space for our various crafting and project endeavours. And my perspective now is that I don't really have a definitive answer to this thing. We've got to get quotes, we've got to get repairs, we've got to get a bunch of trees pruned, we've got to replace a bunch of linoleum, we have to salvage what we need out of the bathroom, we have to get rid of a variety of bits of derogatory furniture that somehow have been left. Once we are done with all of that, we might be in a better position to say, this is what this space is going to be used for. But for now, it's curious having this livable space that no one is in, on our property, that needs some work, but will eventually become a habitable space for someone, hopefully. Tom Barbalet in San Jose, signing out.